Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 25, and it looks pretty filled in for us, so let's see how this goes. Start with this box. We're missing a 4. This box we're missing a 9. This box we're missing a 9. For this row we're missing a 2. For this row we're missing an 8. For this box we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this column now we're missing a 9. In this column we're missing a 1. For this box now we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row we're missing a 9. For this box now we're missing 1 and 3. I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this row, we're missing 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so 5. And now we're just left with 1 and 3 and 1 and 3, so we can just plug those in. 1, 3, 1, 3. So there you have today's super quick puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.